It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that can I use ChatGPT for a research purpose only? Before I answer this question, check out the links in the description box below. I'm teaching also on Skillshare and Udemy. The links are below. So someone is asking me, Jimmy, I don't want to use it for the final writing. I just want to use it for the research purpose, something like that. Okay. So here's a question. So the question is quite simple. As you know, I always said I do not recommend using ChatGPT to write a full article, something like that. I'm just getting very sleepy. So yeah. So can you just use for research purpose? The answer is no. So what you wanna use? Like for example, you're writing an article, the best top 10 hotel in Thailand, in Bangkok, in Chiang Mai, and you finally get the data, and there's some AI software which you read out the data for you, or summarize the data for you. Whatever doing, stop doing it. Whatever doing, so you should stop doing it, because the day you was born was a big mistake. Literally the day you was born, or you or she, I mean I don't know, you or he or she, whoever, the goodness of heaven are you, it was a big mistake. If you can't even do research, the most fun and interesting and enjoyable part of research is doing the research your own, going to web engine on like Google. I mean sometimes I also use Bing. I miss some result. Bing give me good again. Bing is underrated. Maybe go to Bing or Google or whoever the hell is using Yahoo. Yahoo already, I mean Yahoo do not have like their own, I mean index, they get it from Bing. So yeah, Bing or Yahoo or Google, whatever. The fun is doing research. Going to, when you, for example, like I'm trying to find the best hotel in Chiang Mai, I will be reading the review. I will be going to booking.com, looking at the pictures and trying to make my own. I will be entering my Airtable data and trying to give star. Oh, this hotel have this review. Oh, this hotel have a big like 22-meter room, is very small. Or this hotel have a private, bathtub or something like that. Or this hotel have a free Wi-Fi, or check-in time is this, check-out time is this. And I use my own opinion to rank the hotel which is the best or not. This is called research. If you can't do your research, then stop asking me this question. Should I use ChatGPT to make baby? Yeah, you should. Should I use ChatGPT to have a girlfriend? Yeah, you should. Should I use ChatGPT to clean my shit? Yeah, you should. ChatGPT, what the hell you want? Are you also ChatGPT? I don't know, there was some kind of mosquito, yeah. It may be boiling. Now it's my breakfast time. Okay, that's all. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.